Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing something educational, which is solids, liquids and gases from lesson telling matter. So first point is matter. So this video is actually for 4th grade kids, and the book which I'm going to be reading to you and explaining is Cambridge Science Voice Revised Edition. Let's start. Solids, liquids, gases. Matter. Look around yourself. You may find things like books, pens, tables, windows, glasses, water bottles and boxes. All living and non-living things around us are matter. We, human beings, are matter too. So, matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. What is matter made up of? Well, matter is composed of tiny particles. It is because of these tiny particles that matter has mass and occupies space. These tiny particles are known as molecules. Molecules are made up of even smaller particles called atoms. Different types of matters have different types of molecules. Matter exists in 3 forms: solids, liquids and gases. However, molecules in solids, liquids and gases are packed differently. Hence, they have different properties. States of matter. Solid. In solid, molecules are arranged very close to one in another such that it prevents their movement. Here, molecules are arranged in regular pattern. Solids can be seen and felt. Properties of solids. This is the main point and remember it. Properties of solids. They have a fixed shape. They also have fixed volume. They cannot be compressed. Example of solids: a handbag, trophy or cup. Next, liquids. Liquids in molecules are loosely packed, thus are not arranged in regular pattern. Also, molecules in liquid can move freely as compared to molecules of solids. Therefore, a liquid can be poured from one container to another. You can see that they are telling it can be poured to one container to another. So when you see your mother exchanging some milk packet to the container to make it boil, there you can see it's loosely flowing. So therefore liquid can be poured from one container to another. That is also why liquid can flow. Properties of liquids. Remember, so there are 3 points. First, they have no definite shape. They have definite volume. They can be compressed slightly. Compressed means like pressed tightly. So solids cannot be actually compressed because the molecules in the solids are very near. So for this explanation of molecules are near to the 3 of the matters, I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be telling you after these 3 states of matters are done. Next, gas. Third one. Gas don't have fixed shape and volume. Molecules in gas have very loosely packed. They occupy all the space available in the container they are present. Air is as gas. Steam that comes out of the hot tea is a gas. Smoke is also a gas. So when your parents drink a cup of hot tea, you can see the kind of vapors. So even that is a gas. So let's see the properties of a gas. They have no definite shape and they have no definite volume. They can be compressed, and now I'm going to be telling you a fact is the forces of attraction between the molecules of gas are very weak. Now I'm even gonna be telling you hots. We are able to guess food item by its smell. How? Explain this in terms of molecules. So you can explain this thing in the comment section below. Next is I'm gonna be pinning you so you can see this is the arrangement of molecules. I pinned the photo to the video, so you can see the solids have very like that, and liquids are a little bit like that, and gases are so free. So for more understanding, let us take our fingers as molecules. So in the solids, they are very tight so that they cannot move. You can see there they cannot move that much, but they can do a little bit like this because they even do not have any space. Next, liquids. Liquids have a little bit more space, so they can move some more easily. Now, gases. Gases have a lot of space, so they can go wherever they want. That means gas occupies more space. Now next, changing states of matter. So over here you can see the girl is asking the boy that my chocolate has melted and I want to eat it. But the boy said, I have an idea. Let us keep it in the freezer. Freezer means in the refrigerator. After some time, there you go. The chocolate has changed from melted state to frozen state. How do you think chocolate changed back into frozen state? Let me tell you, when things are heated or cooled, they may undergo some changes. You already studied the matter exists in 3 different forms. States: solids, liquids and gases. Any of these states of matter, when they undergo heating or cooling, can change their form. A solid may change into liquid upon heating. Solid chocolate by heating turns into liquid chocolate. And likewise, a liquid can change into solid upon cooling. Like liquids can, when they are cooled, they change into solids. For example, ice cubes. Yeah, that's the only example for juice. Melting. The process in which solids change into liquid is known as melting. When chocolate is kept outside or under the sun, it melts. For example, ice cubes. When kept at normal temperature, it will start to melt. You can observe this. You just need any ice cream or any ice cubes. You can do this experiment at your home. Next, freezing. The process in which liquids changes into solid is known as solidification. Solidification of liquids take place when they are exposed to freezing. For example, when you pour water into ice tray and keep it in the freezer, we can see that water changes into ice after some time, melting. When liquids start losing heat, the process of freezing begins. Evaporation. The process in which liquids changes into vapor on heating is known as evaporation. For example, when water is heated, we can see vapor coming out of it. This happens due to evaporation of water. Condensation. The process in which gas changes into liquid on cooling is known as condensation. For example, when we keep a plate over a pan of hot water, we can see the formation of water droplets on surface of that plate. So you can even do this. Just ask your mother to boil some water and close the lid of that pan. So after some time, when you see there will be some water droplets, it's because the vapor would changes into water, and that and that process is known as condensation. Next, solute, solvent, and solution. So we're gonna be continuing this from here to the next video because even you guys need a little bit of break. So I'm gonna be continuing the rest of the explanation in the next video. So until then, just wait for my next video, and yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe in the next video.